50 seconds and then we'll get the first rates. First rates of this Muhurat, of this new Samvat here, will start in less than 40 seconds. You know, I've been on the floor of Bombay Stock Exchange a couple of times on Samvat, and trust me, irrespective of how the good or the bad year is, the whole experience of attending the Lakshmi Puja ceremony, I think has been one of the most brilliant experiences, at least, for me. The mood is cheerful, family members, they come in, of late celebrities have started coming in also. But yeah, I mean, Bombay Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. And the Diwali Samvat year symbolizes not only a new beginning for the new year, but it is also symbolizing a new beginning in our life. What's happened in the past, we must just, shrug away from the baggage of the past and look at positivity. So the first rates, new Samvat year, it's a happy new year according to Hindu calendar. 77 points higher for the Nifty. So it's a dark shade of green, and that's what you want to see. Nifty and the Bank Nifty, they both are powering ahead. State Bank of India is at 285. I want to mark Tata Motors, which should be up 8-9% post those numbers and post that capital infusion announcement. Thought as much, it's 9% higher for Tata Motors. ICICI Bank will be reacting to those numbers. The numbers by far from SBI and ICICI Bank, they have been good and decent, but ICICI Bank is not reacting to numbers. And the third one really would be Jubilant Life Sciences, which post the market hour on Friday announced that they would be splitting the company into two, 567 rupees. So the first rates from Bombay Stock on. There you go. I mean, it's just symbolic that we go to Bombay Stock Exchange and capture the moments from there. But the first rates have started kicking in, which is more important, and which is what we need to, indicate, communicate, and tell our viewers that it's a good start for a new Samvat year, and none other than State Bank of India, India's biggest bank, which is leading it from the front, and it's getting some company from Tata Motors, Yes Bank, and also Reliance Industries. So Avan, it is not a bad start.
It is not at all. In fact, you've got, like you said, a nice dark shade of green. And incidentally, Nikunj, the concept of Muhurat Trading, very unique to India. First started in 1957 on the exchanges and on the Bombay Stock Exchange, as you said, which is one of the oldest. It's autos, media today, PSU banks, metals, everything's showing you a nice shade of green, and those are some of the sectors that are leading the way. I just want to flag off what's going on within the broader universe as well. You do have a gain of already 1% on the small cap index. Apart from the Tata Motors twins, there's Reliance Power, HDFC AMC, something like Graha Finance, as well as Reliance Naval, Tata Elxsi and Pfizer, which are spearheading.